Bonjour à tous. Today we are going to learn salutations in French language. So once again I tell you, you can see three words are there, two columns are there. So this one is French word. Whenever this one in second column, this is English meaning for that French word. And whenever or wherever you will see any word between brackets, it will be pronunciation only. Don't memorize, don't remember these words. This is to help you, so you can read with the help of these words. You can easily read this French word. So let's start. Les salutations. Les salutations, that is salutations. First one is B-O-N-J-O-U-R. It is, you can read very easily. B-O-H will be bo, and then capital N will be nasal sound. So bon. ZH will be je, like measurement in English. So bonjour, bonjour means hello or good morning. Bonjour we can use throughout the day, in evening also, in afternoon also, in morning also. Actually bonjour means hello, not good morning, but you can use for good morning also. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Next, bon matin, bon matin. This is good morning. Then you can see bon après-midi, bon après-midi, bon après-midi, it is good afternoon. Then bonne nuit, good night. Then salut, salut, it is hi. Informal way, we can use with friends and no, we cannot use this word with elder ones. With friends or with family members also we can use this. Then au revoir, au revoir, that is au revoir, goodbye, à bientôt, see you soon, à demain, see you tomorrow, à lundi, if we want to say see you on Monday, we will use à lundi. If we want to say see you on Sunday, then we have to change this lundi to dimanche. So it will be à lundi, see you on Monday, à tout à l'heure, see you later, adieu. This is bye, and this is informal way again. Merci, merci. You can say merci also, merci. But original pronunciation will be with this gurgle sound. Merci. Thank you, désolé, sorry, bonsoir. It will be good evening. Then bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a nice day. Then bonne soirée. Again gurgle sound. It will be have a nice evening. Enchanté means nice to meet you. And then if Y, you can see here after slash another E also. So first one we will use with masculine, with male, and second one for female, enchanté. Then de rien. You're welcome. Bienvenue, which means welcome. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Entrez, that is entrez, come in. Sortez, gurgle sound again. I am giving gurgle sound. If you are not be able to do this, then you can directly say sortez. So this is sortez. Go out. Bon appétit. Bona. Whenever first word is starting with a consonant and another one word is starting with a vowel, we have to pronounce them together. So it will be N and A will be na. So bon appétit, enjoy your meal. Monsieur, monsieur means sir or gentleman also. Then madame means madam, simple, married woman. Then mademoiselle means miss, that is unmarried. Once again I am going to tell you pronunciation of each and every word, so just listen to my pronunciation very carefully. Bonjour, bon matin, bon après-midi, bonne nuit, salut, au revoir, à bientôt, à demain, à lundi, à tout à l'heure, adieu, merci, désolé, bonsoir, bonne journée, bonne soirée, enchanté, de rien, bienvenue, excusez-moi, entrez, sortez, bon appétit, monsieur, madame et mademoiselle. You will find after subscription, you will find this PDF in YouTube channel there also. But please, if you want each and every document of each and every video, you have to subscribe my channel and you have to like it also. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne journée, merci, au revoir.